All right, this is the third video. We'll have a look at the electronics right now. So as I mentioned before, in order to get the electronics going, the 12-volt switch has to be on. The converter 24 to 12 has to be on. And then you can start switching everything on. Depth sounder, VHF I'll come to in a minute. Basically all the electronics there, okay? Now, the VHF radio, which is over here, and the HF radio over here can only be turned on through a separate battery, an emergency battery, which is right there. That's the 12-volt emergency battery. So in that case, this switch has to be turned on. So as it says, VHF plus SSB. So you can only get the VHF to work when you have that switch on. And with that switch on, but still with these switches on as well, we can, I gotta figure out how it works. Oh, sorry, there we go, there's the power button. Damn, why is that not working? Oh, VHF. Do that now. All right, VHF radio, and over here, power button. All right, and there you go for the VHF radio on 16. All right, I'll power that back down. All the manuals for all the electronics are in a box right here behind the dash. That DHL box actually has charts in it, but in the box there with the blue top, there are all the manuals for all the electronics. So we'll turn these all on. Okay, so as you can see, the radar is functioning on standby mode. This is the autopilot. You'll need to read the instructions, but the autopilot worked extremely well. We went from Quebec to Rimouski and Rimouski back to Montreal almost solely on the autopilot. It's functioning quite well. Here is your fish finder slash sonar, working perfectly. And here, it's booting up right now, is the chart plotter.